What is number? Click on set. Just click on here and set this. So this is the paragraph section. Okay, look it here. This is the bullets and this is for the numbering. Click on here. Which number you want to add? I want to add this format or this. Okay. Press enter. Look at here. The numbering is automatically added here. If you press again, there is no empty value. Okay, just write something. Right. Press enter. See, happen happens after Sonali. Okay. So this is the numbering format. Just click on here. Which number you want to add? Or Control plus A for select all. Control plus A. Select. Click on here. You can set any type of numbering from your library. Um, okay. If you want to delete numbering, just select on Control plus A from keyboard and click on none. Okay. Numbering is removed. So this is the most important for your documentation. Select source Roman ABC 1 2 3 numbering. Okay.